Hello everyone, it is time for some more math. Here is how this is going to go today. I'm going to do 10 problems on my paper, and for each one I'm going to make a mistake on purpose, and then there will be a question where you are supposed to say what is the mistake that I made. So you don't really have to write any of this stuff down. You could just watch. If you want to write it down, you can, but I think probably most of the time you'll be able to just watch the video and pay attention to what am I doing wrong. If you can't figure out what the mistake is, you might want to write it down, and that might help you figure it out, but that's up to you, okay? All of the problems will be multiple choice from the Edpuzzle thing. Okay, here we go. Number one. Let me zoom in a little bit. And remember, you're looking for the mistakes. So we're going to start with a little bit of adding. So I'm going to do 4.9 plus 5. And then remember, you're watching for a mistake. You're never going to find the right answer for this. And the answer choices is not going to be the right answer. It's just the steps. What is the step that I'm doing wrong? And then that's what your question is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So some of the things I'm saying, I'm going to keep talking. Most of the things I'm saying are going to be true, but then there'll be one thing that I'm saying that is not correct. Okay, so you're watching for the mistake. So 4 plus 9 plus 5. I'm going to do like that. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1 up to there. 1 plus 4, 5. 5.4. That's the answer. And that is number 1. Okay, moving on to number 2. We are going to do some subtraction. 4 minus 2.98. 4 minus 2.98, so I'm going to do like this. And then 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus nothing is 9. Put the decimal in because I want to line it up. 2 minus nothing is 2. 2.94. That's my answer, and that is number 2. Number 3, just a little exponent. Okay, we've talked about these exponents. Remember, this little number here is called the exponent. So I've got 3 to the second power, that's what we call that. And then what does that work out to be? I'm going to put 6, because 3 times 2 makes 6. And that is number 3. Number 4. I'm going to write some numbers down. 8, 4, 12, 7, 9. There's my list of numbers, and I want to find the median of these numbers. So the median is the middle number. So the middle number of 8, 4, 12, 7, and 9 is 12, because 12 is right in the middle. And that is number 4. Here is number 5. Multiplication. 342 times, oh gosh, I can't read my own writing. I think it says 17. Okay. 342 times 17. So 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 1 makes 29. So I put 9 here. Carry the 2. Then this way, 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 2 makes 23. There's my first row. Then for the second row, remember, I'm going to cross off this number, and I'm going to cross off my little numbers. Then 1 times 2 makes 2. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. And then I'm going to add those two rows. 4 plus 2 makes 6. 9 plus 4 makes 13. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus my 1 makes 7. 2 plus nothing is 2. So 2,736. And that is number 5. Moving on to number 6. Number 6 is going to be subtraction. 4,324 minus 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here's my subtraction problem. 4 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 6 I can't do, so I have to borrow from the 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. 2 minus 5 I can't do, so I'm going to cross off the 4 and put a 3. 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1,763. That is number 6. Moving on. Number 7 is geometry. I will draw a triangle for you. Here's my triangle. And I'll put some numbers in. 5 inches, 7 inches. We'll call this one 10 inches. And of course I want to find the area because that's what we do most of the time. So how do I find the area of this triangle? Here's my right angle. So I'm going to multiply the 5 and the 7. 5 times 7 is 35 inches squared. And that is number 7. Moving on to number 8. There we go. 8 is fractions. 2.5 plus 3 1/4. All right. So I got to find my common denominator. I've got a 2 and a 4, so I can use 4 as a denominator. I could use 8, but 4 works also. That's a 2. So 2 times 2 makes 4. So 1 times 2 makes 2. I put 4 down here. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. And I can put an equal sign in there because 1/2 is equal to 2/4 and 1/4 is equal to 1/4, obviously, because they're the same. Okay, now my denominators are the same, so I can add 2 plus 1 makes 3/4. And then I can do 2 plus 3, and that makes 6. And there's my answer, 6 3/4. That is number 8. Actually, that is not the mistake that I was planning to make. I hope you could see the kind of obvious mistake that I made there, but that's okay. Here's number 9. Trapezoid, another area problem. Here's my trapezoid. I'll draw my little dotted line. The bottom number is 10. Let's go feet for this one. Top number is going to be 8. This number coming down is 6, the height. So the height is 6, the base is 10, and the top base is 8. And I'm going to find the area of this trapezoid. So here's my right angle. So I'm going to do 10 times 6 makes 60 feet squared. That is the area of my trapezoid. That is number 9. Okay, one more. Number 10. Last one. This is a division problem. I got to read my writing again. 817 divided by 9. Okay, so 817 divided by 9. How many 9s go into 8? None. So I'm going to put an X right there. How many 9s go into 81? 9. Exactly. 9 times 9 is 81. So you can subtract. Bring down the 7. And there's nothing more to do over here, so I'm going to put remainder 7. And that is my answer, 9 remainder 7. And that is number 10. That is all. Thank you.